Hi everyone, this is Jay Adams from Denver Water. In this video, we're going to be talking about solarizing your grass. It's an easy and effective way to get rid of grass in your yard to make room for a water-wise plant garden. Solarization involves covering the grass with a sheet of clear plastic. The plastic traps heat and moisture underneath to kill the grass and weeds. To prep the area, mow the grass as short as possible. Then water the spot thoroughly to help the soil conduct heat more effectively. All right, we are ready to go. We are ready to solarize the yard. So we've got our clear plastic sheeting, and this is what we're going to use to go over top of the grass. You can get this at a hardware store or online, and you want it to be about between 1 to 3.5 mils thick. Too thin and it's likely to rip if you walk on it, and if it's too thick, then it doesn't let the sun pass through. Dig a small trench around the edges. About 4 to 6 inches deep will work. Then pull the plastic sheet over the area and stretch it out to get it as tight as possible. Now bury the edges with the sod from the trench. You want to make as tight of a seal as possible to trap the heat. If you weren't able to dig a trench, you can just use landscape staples instead. Putting bricks on top will also help hold that plastic down. If you do get a rip in the plastic, make sure to patch it right away, and you can use clear packing tape or greenhouse tape. Just do not use duct tape. So the best time to solarize is in the heat of the summer, on the longer days of the year. It's best to leave the plastic on for 4 to 8 weeks. You can solarize in late May or early September, but just remember that's going to take a little longer. As for whether to use clear or black plastic, in Colorado, experts recommend clear plastic, and that's because it allows the sunlight to pass directly through and it gets hotter underneath on the soil. Black plastic reflects and absorbs the sunlight, so it doesn't get as hot underneath. Using black plastic is called occultation. It's best in low sun areas and in lower temperatures. It works by starving the plants of light and water. But this method typically takes longer to kill the grass. Alright, so here are the pros and cons of using solarization versus other forms of grass removal methods. Pros are that solarization requires minimal labor and is fairly simple and inexpensive. You also don't have to haul away any sod, like with physical removal. No chemicals are needed, so it's environmentally friendly. It works best in hot and sunny areas, and it preserves organic material and can improve soil health. So how about the cons of solarization? It is a slow process, taking 4 to 8 weeks. It cannot be done year-round, so only in the warmer months of the year. It is a little unsightly too, especially if you're doing it in your front yard. It's tough to do on steep and variable slopes, and you need to be careful doing it around trees, as the sheet blocks water from getting through to the roots. Once the grass is dead, just remove the plastic and you're ready to plant. Remember to use cardboard or squeegee or mulch to block weeds in your garden. And of course, don't forget to have an irrigation plan for the new planting area. Experts recommend using a drip system. You can cap off old sprinklers or convert them for drip irrigation. Okay, well there you have it. That's how solarization works. If you are looking for other ways on how to remove grass, you can check out our videos on sheet mulching and physical removal. You can also visit denverwater.org/conserve for more landscaping tips.